Jesus needs your help. The two horses pulling the cart have disappeared. Everyone is searching. We need a good detective like you to find the horses and save the day. Be careful with the vases, boxes, and rocks on the way. Just dodge to the sides, go underneath, or jump really high. Don't miss any bananas. Pick them all up to recover your energy. Are you ready? Let's go! To the left, to the right, left, jump, jump, left, to the right, jump.
Inside one of these boxes is a rope that will help us catch the horse. Can you figure out which one? 1, 2, or 3?
Look! I think I saw a horse. Where is it? Did you see it? Yeah! You did it! Now, only one more to go. Let's keep running!
We've picked, but they're very fast. Can you help me? How many appear on the screen? Hey, is that all? Who's eating all the bananas? Do you think horse eat bananas? After him! Oh no! The horse ran away and hid somewhere. Can you find him? Hooray! You found him! Now Jesus can continue to help and heal people throughout the city. You are amazing! Thanks for the help! And subscribe to the channel to help us too! Only then we can spread Jesus' love to more families. Do you have a lot of energy? Yes? So let's go again!